doing well. Welcome back to your own channel, Namma Bengaluru Uta. By seeing me dressed up in the kurta, you people might have started guessing I am visiting some place which serves traditional foods. Yes, you guys are right. Today we are visiting Malleshwaram Holige Mane, who is specialized in serving authentic holiges and unique varieties of holiges. To know more about the Malleshwaram Holige Mane, watch the complete episode. This is Adarsha from Namma Bengaluru Uta, and you guys are watching the 11th episode of Eat Your Heart Out. If you guys are watching our channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Share the video with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, and please let us know your favorite part or the favorite holige in the comment section. Today we are here with Prasanna Kumar, the owner of Malleshwaram Holige Mane. Namaste sir. ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 years ಆಯಿತು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದಲ್ಲೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ನನಗೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಈಗೇನಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಈ ಥರ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಂದಿರೋ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಮನೇಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿರೋರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಆನ್ಲೈನೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೀ ಬೇಳೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಬೇಳೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇವಾಗ 15 ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಸೀಸನಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋವಾ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಸೀಸನಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೀಚಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೀಸನಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸು. ಜನರಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಳೆ, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಕೋವಾ, ಬಾದಾಮು, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟು, ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸು ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇದೆ. US ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡೋರ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪುಷ್ ಮೈ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇದೆ USಗೆ. ಸೊ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 4 days ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ US ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ನಡೀತೀನಿ.
That's quite interesting to know that Indians in US even can also order the holige from Holige Mane,
Yes.
sitting at their home. So that's good to know that, sir. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಸರ್? ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾದಾಮು, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ವಿತ್ ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We were lucky enough to get the sneak peek of how the dry fruit holige is being done here at Malleshwaram Holige Mane. The hurana is made up of the khova and the badam paste, and it is stuffed inside the dough, which is made up of the chiroti rava and the maida. And after frying it on the tawa, it is fortified with a lot of dry fruits, and then it is just rolled like a masala dosa. It looks so yummy. After seeing the making of different varieties of holiges here at Malleshwaram Holige Mane, I can't wait myself to taste few of the delicious holiges here at Malleshwaram Holige Mane. We taste dry fruit holige from the side, which is just the badam paste and the sugar and kova in it. It is so chewy and yummy. Now I will take a big bite from the middle, which is having all the stuffings of dry fruits. This bite was delicious with all the dry fruits which are infused in it. This dry fruit holige has badam, dates, raisins and cashew in it. When you bite into the center part of the holige, every bite is crunchy with all the dates and nuts in it. This holige is very mild in its sweetness, but definitely the dry fruits which are fortified enhances the taste of the holige. This makes an enjoyable bite. This is quite unique holige which is available only at Malleshwaram Holige Mane. When I heard the name dry fruit holige, I was not sure how it tastes, but after tasting it, I definitely love tasting the holige. The core of the holige, which has the dry fruit flakes, it adds a nutty note to the bite. It's always pleasure to have the dry fruits, and along with the holige, it tastes very well. It's delicious. Now what we have is carrot holige, which is unique and signature holige at Malleshwaram Holige Mane. Let us taste it and let you know how it tastes. I was told that kova is also used along with the carrot holige. I can certainly feel the very little tanginess which comes from the carrot, and a mild sweetness which comes from the sugar, and it has the very good essence of the milk which comes from the kova. In every bite you can feel the taste of that grated carrots which give a little crunch. The kanike, which is made up of chiroti rava and maida, has that crispy crunch to the outer side of the holige. You can even have the carrot holige if you are a diet conscious and wanted to maintain that balance between the diet. This carrot holige is available throughout the year, and you can enjoy the carrot holige whenever you walk into here, or you can order through Zomato, Dunzo. Now what we have is the mango holige. This is the first time we are trying the mango holige here at Malleshwaram Holige Mane. Let me taste it. Mango holige looks very vibrant and tempting with its dark yellow color. It has a very light, mild, sweet sourness which comes from the mango pulp. And again, this also has the kova base with a very little sugar to add the sweetness. If you are a mango lover, this is a kind of a treat which you would expect. Having a holige in the festival season and having a mango, both are at the same place in a form of the mango holige. This is so comforting. I have been told that the premium quality mango pulp which is gone to it, it makes it more chewy. Definitely you can make out that mango has been definitely gone to it. This is one of the holige which you must try when you visit to Malleshwaram Holige Mane the next time. Now we are having dark chocolate holige in front of us. This dark chocolate holige at Malleshwaram Holige Mane is one of the unique, and it has become children's favorite as it has the dark chocolate taste in it. It looks so exotic and premium. I will be tasting a bite. This definitely is thicker than the few other holiges which I have tried so far. It has that melt in mouth texture which comes from the chocolate. Immediately when I keep this holige into my mouth, it just dissolves in my mouth. Definitely the dark chocolate makes this holige more delicious. Every bite is so indulging with its chocolatey flavor which comes from the exotic dark chocolates. So the holige is made up of the kova and the dark chocolate powder is added to it. So kova here makes the base for most of the holiges apart from the bele holige and the kai holige. Definitely in every holige we would be tasting a little amount of the kova, which gives the subtle flavor to the holige. Definitely kids must try this and they would be loving this holige. And if you are a chocolate lover, you definitely love this holige too. The dark chocolate and the kova which has gone into the holige definitely makes it more indulging with the rich flavors. Malleshwaram Holige Mane is a place where you can get all type of the holiges throughout the year, except few seasonal holiges including strawberry, lychee and blackcurrant. You can come in and walk in and indulge yourself with the holige treat. If you want to order it, you can order it in a bulk through Zomato, Swiggy, Dunzo. The people who are staying in America, even they can also order through pushmycart.com and they will be getting their favorite holidays delivered within 4 working days. I hope you guys like the video. Until we meet in our next episode, keep waiting, happy eating. Share the video and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our official social media handles to get the exclusive updates about the upcoming episodes.